What's up, YouTube? I know I didn't do my earlier introduction of me getting ready and stuff like I always do, but I don't even have an excuse of why I didn't. But this vlog, as y'all can tell by the title, we'll be going to a Drake concert. Drake and J. Cole. It's supposed to be Drake and 21 Savage, but we just left. I just went through a whole lot because I kept running back and forgetting stuff, running back, going crazy, running in circles in the house, in heels, trying not to fall. Then I kept dropping stuff. I kept on dropping stuff. Then started sweating. I should have showed y'all my hair when it was freshly crimped.
She gonna drop a clip right then.
Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all in the video right here. But yeah, we finna just head to New Orleans, take our little pictures and stuff. But now we finna be rushing to take our pictures. But they still gonna come out cute. Oh well. I'll see y'all when I get to New Orleans. Made it out here, but unfortunately I have to put my camera up. Should I just still bring my camera and leave my purse? Yeah. Okay. Hey y'all, so we made it to our section that's technically not our section. And we trying to find our way down here. Right.
Like right there by the gate, just enough to see.
Y'all, when I had got to the front, they told me that I couldn't bring my camera in, but I was just gonna go all the way back to the car, so I stuck my camera in my pants and I came back inside. It's actually pretty empty right now. Here, all up at my room.
I bet
They should have brought Scissor out.
I kill that bitch, I do it all again. Oh, sorry, YouTube.
Did she even say that?
Yeah.
This girl is making up her own words.
I look better on you. I can't lose it when I'm with you. I can't do it when I'm with you.
Get back to y'all whenever the show starts.
Believe what I did, y'all. I thought I shot our tickets and we got to the floor.
We were flying up there.
Sing it to each other. There's a lot of love in the building tonight.
What's that? Why you trying to hide it?
Who you looking for?
Looking for the freaks, looking for.
Yeah, we looking for.
That my nigga, he just took a bitch down.
What did you miss?
That nigga took a bitch down. I thought I need a new baby.
Whoa.
What a nigga said. I'm trying to get my pussy straight. You know you better do it today.
Okay, so you think the brother gonna win, but do you not understand what the scripts are saying? Good, but he just drank too much damn water. Aubrey Graham is tempted. That's right, he's tempted. He always in his feelings and his heart always broke. It don't make sense to me. Have you ever thought about it? Every woman he ever been with done left him. Tyra Banks didn't want him. Jennifer Lopez didn't.
I wanna get back to the days that you love me for nothing. I'm sorry today. Bitches in my phone. Out your car and I know. Yes. Wanna like us to me. I got you. Ain't going back in my face. On purpose. These days. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear me calling my name. I'm not ashamed of it. Still finding myself, let alone the song that I'm just saying. It's making better pictures. I learned Hennessy, enemies, one hell of a mixture. Even though it's fucked up, I'm still fucking with you, damn. She trying to take away from a nigga. Yeah, fucking with the kid and pray for the nigga. I got girls with real life trying to fuck up my day. Fuck going online, that ain't part of my day. I got give me my respect. I tried to show. I tried to show. I tried to show. I tried
make some motherfucking noise. In New Orleans, Louisiana, this shit crazy. It's been a minute. I'm just round. Let me tell you about it. I put my city on the map. Let me tell you about it. They try to say I can't come back. Let me tell you about it. In the pen in my mind, yeah. 6-1 on the money. I know. Circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga wet. Oh, fucking no. A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with the dots, nigga. New Orleans, y'all make some noise for a nigga 21-7. How many taking they stream? Kicking they plays from machine? Behind the smoke. Love yours. No such thing. Say.
No such thing. You got the life that's better than yours.
Phone up and proceed to later look. I came fast like no one wanted. Ain't got no shame about it. Shit think I'm spoiled cause I'm rich and I can have any bitch. I got the physical and now I was the same without. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my lame niggas can't tell the difference. One time for a nigga who said don't save her. Don't save her. Don't save her. That's you know what I mean. One time save her. All these tracks can put the blame on you. 43 times, put the peace sign low, the check the letter. One time. 40 tracks can put the blame on you. 43 times, put the peace sign low, the check the letter. Y'all ready? Yo, y'all. It's on y'all. Come on. Watch out. That's not enough. That's not enough. I'm 10 footer. Get a lot of love from 12, but I don't reciprocate. Anyone that pushes that from look. Coming live on the 32 time. Okay, from the eastbound.
These niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but they bitch on my line. Can feel what you're spinning. I too much back to let no burden. Slide me out, pull up, go right about. Mine, I got time, let's discuss all those lies about. Friend, I feel like you're digging me out, and I ain't even coming up in and out.
All my ladies in New Orleans, if you want to slide my man Jesse out, y'all gotta make some noise first. I apologize to Jesse, I apologize to Biloxi, Mississippi, but D, you go ahead and take care of
He
business.
looks like he's having fun, but you're not even from Louisiana, so in the count of 1, 2, 3. Ay, Dios mío, pobre hombre.
Hey, New Orleans, make some noise for Jesse for taking the punishment tonight. Make some. Noise for yourself tonight.
We finally left the show.
And look at RP.
And of course, I'm not wearing shoes.
And check me out. He checked me out all night.
I can't. I'm sorry. I really just can't. I tried. I would have collapsed. So
That's crazy.
not fall. Yeah, y'all. Like as y'all seen my vlog, the show was really nice and well put together. Girl.
Baby dad.
We finna go to this club. Need to get there before it gets packed. My phone, both telephone dead, my phone on the verge of dying. Like you skipping in the hills and everything. That's how I was running from that lady in my heels. Like,
If you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck.
but no, y'all. Lady tried to come take us from our spot. We had to lose her.
Heels to the club?
No. No.
Come on, me. Me?
You can. So y'all, it's the day after the concert. And we didn't get back home until like 6:30 this morning. And I had to wake up and take someone's pictures. Well, actually, I was already up, but I forgot I had to take somebody's pictures at 3:30. So I just went ahead and did that. Now at this, I just be finding little restaurants downtown. Trying this place called Jolly Pearl. And I ordered some blackened chicken breasts with seafood cornbread dressing. So we finna see how that tastes. Hopefully it's good. I'm so drained, y'all. I look how I feel. I feel how I look. Literally. But I'm gonna show y'all my food when I get it. So I just got my food, y'all. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a bigger portion than what it is. Let me just show you.
I want to be done first. Your mom not taking the
Looks like they trying to feed my little brother or
Sorry, I
something.
didn't see your drinks that you taken into this now.
It's really good though. It's actually good. I just wish it was more. Yeah, it was busting. After this, y'all, I'm going home. Now, y'all, I'm just gonna go home and edit for the rest of the day. Chill, you know, work. My work is very chill. I love what I do. But that concludes the end of my vlog, though, y'all. Catch y'all next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if y'all made it to the end of this video, like I always say, thank y'all. Y'all are true supporters. Catch y'all next video. I don't know when my next video is gonna be, but trust me, I will be thinking hard on it. But I just be having so much to do in between school, in between pictures, editing my YouTube videos on top of that. It's just a lot, so y'all gotta bear with me. I got a test to take too today, see. I'll catch y'all next video.